are going to love the 2020 Ford Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.